So the same origin policy is a critical security mechanism to web applications, and it restricts how a document or script is loaded from one origin, how it can interact with another origin. Make sense? So in other words, it helps to isolate potentially malicious documents and reduces the possible attack vectors. On the other hand, cross-origin resource sharing is a relaxation of the same origin policy implemented in modern browsers. And CORS uses additional HTTP headers to tell browsers to give a web application running at one origin access to selected resources from a different origin. So, I don't know, I think we can say this mechanism supports secure cross-origin requests and data transfers between browsers and servers. And also for security reasons, browsers restrict cross-origin HTTP requests initiated from scripts. So that means in this lesson, we are going to examine CORS features. So after you log into BWAP, open cross-origin resource sharing from the menu. And it's a simple page, isn't it? But here's a different scenario. So there's a link on this page. And based on the security level, we are going to try to read the content of the file that this link points to. So, there are some cross-origin obstacles to pass. Okay, so now let's start with the first level. Enable Foxy Proxy. Then we'll click on the secret link, and the request will appear in burp. Now look at the first line of the request. It is secretcores1.php, but it doesn't look like there's anything suspicious. So forward it. Now you can see the response message, and it contains the secret of Neo. But also look at the headers. There is access control allow origin header with a value asterisk. That means accept requests from all origins. That's why the secret cores 1 page accept our requests and shows the secret. Okay, so then forward that response to the browser. All right, so now change the level to medium. And we have a new superhero, Wolverine, and we need his secret. But his secret is hidden behind this link. So click on the secret link, and burp has a request now. And the first line is different from the previous request, huh? But now we are requesting secret cores 2 PHP page. And there's nothing interesting here. So forward the request. But doesn't look like we can read the secret. It's just a plain response message. So let it go. Okay, so there is a hint here on the page. So the requested page can only accept requests from this origin. Okay, so before going any further, let's have a look at the code. So this one is the main page. And based on the security level, it redirects us to the superhero pages. So scroll on down to the main part below, and it just prints the values, nothing more. So we can exit and view the cores 1 file, and it just sets the header for all origins and prints the secret. That's all. So exit. So what is inside cores 2? And it's not letting us read the secret. So it checks for a specific origin. So if somehow we can add this origin header to our request, we'll be able to read the secret for Wolverine. So let's exit this and view cores 3. And on this page, there are no headers and extra security checks. So close that and go to Firefox. Okay, now click the secret again. The request is in the burp proxy, and I'm going to add the origin header. You can add it anywhere except for the first line. So this means the origin of my request is intranet.itsecgames.com. So go ahead and forward it. And that's perfect. We are able to get Wolverine's secret. So let it go now. A few seconds ago, we intercepted the request and added the origin header, right? But the developer wants us to try with Ajax. So open your terminals, and I'll prepare an Ajax file. You can download all the files. And then after you download, move them to your web root directory in Kali, because we're going to use them. Okay, so I need to go to web root directory, and the files in this directory are just like that. And I'm going to use the one that starts with cores. So just type vim cores.php. All right, so this is a simple PHP file. It just includes the Ajax script. Okay, so exit and view the JavaScript file, vimcores.js. And the script makes an Ajax call to the secret cores2.php. It adds an origin header. Okay, go back. Open up a new tab and request cores.php file in Kali. Okay, so it's in burp now. Forward it, and the page loads, and look at the script tags. They're calling for the Ajax file. Okay, good. So forward it. And now the Ajax code is uploaded to the browser, and then send a request to secretcores2.php by adding the origin header. And see, this is what we want. But there's a problem. The origin header value is not the same as in the code. Well, you know what? Just forward it anyway. And naturally, no secret. So, to figure out what's just happened, let's open up the Web Developer tool. Go to the Console tab. Let's have a look at the warnings, because changing the origin header with Ajax in the browser is forbidden. So it points to the line. So the same origin policy refuses to read the secretcores2.php file. So what do you think? I think these warnings explain everything quite well. So that means we need to find another solution. So what I like to do in these situations is use my good old friend curl. Do you know curl? You can always try a different way. Okay, and then go back. Curl is also implemented in PHP. So I'm going to show you cores1.php, and this is the PHP curl code. And it will request the same page and show the response to us. And of course, it's going to add the origin header. So in this case, we are going to request this page. And then in the background, curl will request the secret cores2.php page. Okay, so go back to Firefox, open a new tab, and go to cores1.php. And there's nothing here in this request. So just forward. Congratulations. We programmatically read Wolverine's secret. All right? We didn't even see what happens. Thankfully, curl did everything for us.